Hello, it's good to have you back in class. You're welcome. So there's a song we're going to learn today. We've actually started learning it in the class, but I want to teach it in detail here, okay? Are you ready? Now, this song is a song we used to sing as children. Now, when we want to sing this song, it's like a play song. Now, we form a circle. In that circle, we hold our hands. And then after we've held our hands, one person is left. The person runs round behind the circle. So we're in a circle, and the person runs outside the circle. And so the song goes this way. Kedu Onye ga-abụ oyim? Kedu Onye ga-abụ oyim? Who will be my friend? Who will be my friend? So it's like in the midst of a crowd, somebody is going around trying to look for a friend. Okay? Who will be my friend? Who will be my friend? I'll sing the English version and then I'll move to the Igbo version. Okay? So let's go. Who will be my friend? 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 The person is asking a question, running around the crowd, asking, who will be my friend? 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 Now in Igbo, how do we say it in Igbo? Kedu Onye ga-abụ oyim? O, this O here is to make the song rhythmic. Alright? So but the words here is Kedu Onye ga-abụ oyim? Who will be my friend? Some of these words, oyim, is taught in lesson 1, module 1. So you should be familiar with this at least. Kedu Onye ga-abụ oyim? Kedu Onye ga-abụ oyim? Oh, this O here is to make the song rhythmic. Now let's put it together. Kedu Onye ga-abụ oyim? Who Kedu Onye will be ga-abụ my friend oyim? Do you get that? Who Kedu Onye will be ga-abụ my friend oyim? Kedu Onye ga-abụ oyim? Kedu Onye ga-abụ oyim? Do you understand? So we are repeating the line 3 times. It's simple, you'd see. Let's go again. Kedu Onye ga-abụ oyim? Kedu Onye ga-abụ oyim? Kedu Onye ga-abụ oyim? Onye ga-abụ oyim? Who will be my friend? 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 Kedu Onye ga-abụ oyim? Kedu Onye ga-abụ oyim? Kedu Onye ga-abụ oyim? Onye ga-abụ oyim? Onye ga-abụ oyim? So here it's just like continuing from here, okay? Kedu Onye ga-abụ oyim? Kedu Onye ga-abụ oyim? Kedu Onye ga-abụ oyim? Onye ga-abụ oyim? Onye ga-abụ oyim? The last line moves that way, a bit faster. Onye ga-abụ oyim? All right. So when the other person is running around the circle, people within the circle are clapping. All right. And the person is singing Kedu onye ga-abụ oyim? Kedu onye ga-abụ oyim? Kedu onye ga-abụ oyim? Onye ga-abụ oyim? And then at this point, the second part of the song comes. I have seen my friend. At this point, the person singing, the person running around the circle pulls out any person around, or any person he or she likes. When he pulls out the person, he dances and runs, or she dances and runs round the circle with the person. I have seen my friend. 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 Now let's sing it in Igbo. Afugomu oyimo. Remember, this O here is make the song rhythmic. Afugomu oyimo. Afugomu oyim. O. Afugomu oyimo. Afugomu oyimo. Afugomu oyimo nyega boyimo. Alright, so I have seen Afugom, my friend, oyimo. I have seen Afugom, my friend, oyimo. Right? Afugom oyimo. Afugom oyimo. Afugom oyimo nyega boyimo. Okay, and this last part where you hear Onyega boyimo. We've been singing Afugomu oyimo. Afugomu oyimo. Afugomu oyimo. Onyega boyimo. At this point, when you say Onyega boyimo, the first person that was singing joins the circle back. The second person he or she brought out begins to go round and sing Kedu Onye bu oyimo. Kedu Onye. Do you understand? So Onyega oyimo, this last line here, is a question the new singer is asking. Onyega oyimo. Onyega oyimo. Now the new person that came out will begin to look for a friend. Who will be my friend? And then the song continues until almost everybody comes out to sing and dance and all. So we enjoyed it as children, and I remember that, oh, I should share this memory, I should share this experience with you. Okay, so let's take this song again from the beginning. Kedu onye ga-abụ oyim? Kedu onye ga-abụ oyim? Who will be my friend? 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 I have seen my friend. 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 So that's the English version. But since we are learning it in Igbo, we're going to sing it in Igbo from the beginning to the end. Are you with me? Let's go. Are you ready? Kedu onye ga-abụ oyimo? Kedu onye ga-abụ oyimo? Kedu onye ga-abụ oyimo? Onye ga-abụ oyimo? Let's take it again. Kedu onye ga-abụ oyimo? Kedu onye ga-abụ oyimo? Kedu onye ga-abụ oyimo? Onye ga-abụ oyimo? Good. Now the next line goes this way. Afugomu oyimo. Afugomu oyimo. Afugomu oyimo. Onye ga-abụ oyimo. All right? So I want you to go through this song over and over again, and I want you to learn it. When we come to class and it's time to sing it, we'll be able to pair you up and you sing it. So remain excited. See you in class. Bye.